Hi, Bruce. Hi, Andy. Can you hear us?
We can hear you. Can you hear me?
And we can hear you very, very clearly.
Perfect. Great.
Great.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning to you and Bruce.
Good morning, good afternoon, Lokesh.
Thank you. I have my entire management team and the entire workmen working in the factory. All of us are here, almost 70, 75 people right now.
That's exciting.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
We'll start the program exactly on time. Another 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes to go.
So I'm going to start from here only. I'll talk from here and then I'll go.
Andy, does my background look okay to you?
Yeah.
It's a little dark. You're a little dark,
Yeah.
and I also look like an orb. So, light, so. You said it, not us.
Hi, Ula. Can you hear us?
Yes, we can, Lokesh.
So we are all gathered here to start the program now. So over to Neha.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. So it's and good morning to all who are joining virtually through Teams, and a very warm welcome to people who are watching us live through YouTube. So it is with immense pride and excitement that I welcome you all to this momentous occasion, the unveiling of Simpson Multi-Cooler, a groundbreaking milestone for DISA India and a testament to our unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. We are honored to have such distinguished leaders joining us virtually and physically. And a warm welcome to Ms. Ulla Thompson, President of DISA, Mr. Bruce Deans, President of Norican North America, Mr. Randy Koch, Vice President, Simpson Technologies, Mr. Jimmy Sorensen, Vice President, Engineering, DISA, who are joining us virtually through Teams, and my CMT team here from DISA India Limited, and our MD, Mr. Lokesh Saxena, who is joining and gracing the event physically here, from here. A heartfelt welcome. A heartfelt welcome to our IMEA management team, our dedicated employees from DISA India, DTPL, and from the Tumkur plant, and everyone who is tuning in through YouTube. This is a hybrid event which allows to celebrate this milestone regardless of where we are in the world. So I'll not take much of time, and I'll request Ms. Ola to share her thoughts and insights with us for this remarkable occasion. I would request Bruce to share his thoughts on this occasion.
All right, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning to my colleagues.
Thank you, Bruce, for sharing your thoughts with us on this occasion. Now I would request Andy Koch to share his views with us.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Focus on it and make sure that we can take this technology that has been proven itself for over 100 years and bring it now to the greater Indian market. One of the things we can't forget are the benefits of the multi-cooler, improving the overall casting quality. It can reduce the scrap rates and enhances the productivity. And overall, it can be an adaptable solution for all foundries of any size because the family of multi-coolers can be as small as 20 metric tons an hour all the way up to 270 metric tons an hour, giving that nice back-blended homogeneous sand to make the foundry an even greater success. So as we come into a reality, I am not, it's not forgotten upon me when you take a look at all the
Thank you, Andy, for your thoughts and sharing a lot of information. So now we will move ahead for what we are waiting for so long, an unveiling of the machine. And I'll request my leadership team to please do the honors. So it's a very proud moment for us here in India, and definitely a lot of people have worked for it. A very heartfelt thank you to everyone for making this possible. And now I would like Satya sir to give more inputs about the machine and give a lot of information on that.
Good morning. Good morning to US team, Ulla, Bruce, and Andy, and good afternoon to Jimmy. So thank you for joining in such an early morning, and also thank you for Jimmy to join on this occasion. This MC, this is the first part of the MC cooler. This MC 100 model, and we also having in the line MC 50 is also following. Already it is in the manufacturing stage, and this MC 100. It is planned to go to the Ramakrishna foundry, and it is expected to be dispatched in the next 2 days. And actually, it will be leaving our factory maybe on 30th of this month. And okay, the journey of this tech transfer from the sales, I think I should thank everybody from Andy, Bruce, and Bo and Jimmy, while we are discussing whether this cooler should we quote or should we not quote from there. Then Lokesh and myself, we had a discussion with Ulla also. Then we all agreed that, okay, let us start making the quote. So at that time when we are making the quote, we don't know many things. But of course, there's a lot of support has been come from Simpson US team, followed by the tech transfer. So once the management, Norican senior management taken the decision to do this tech transfer in India, and they find a very able project manager, Henrik Wege. He has done a lot of tech transfers earlier. And there is cultural differences from US, Europe, and India. He is able to bring all of us in the same table, and we found the right components to be used, and right drawings. Everything actually has been well controlled by Jimmy team through Vege and Arun. So it was came up very good. Now finally, when it looks into the cost, it is very important, and our supply chain team really from India, as well as from US and everybody, they shared what is the cost at each location. And Manish and Venkatesh, they worked very hard on this while deciding without compromising anything on the final deliverable, like the specification of the motor or specification of the gearbox or specification of any of those things. So some of those things we are able to find locally, but still we have some content of the import. So I think we will continue that with import content for some more time until we find able suppliers in India. And finally, the timeline of the project. Actually, we promised to customer that we are going to deliver in December. So of course, we are almost ready in December with some few parts, but then we don't want to compromise on that. Then we took a time from the customer, and we have agreed for a delivery in January. So it is came up very good. DISA Denmark team actually visited once again to see this cooler, and they have given a very good report. So we are very happy to hear their comments. So now you can all see the cooler, and maybe Venkatesh and can explain a little bit how he has done the cooler.
Thank you. Yes, of course, when we got to know that this new product for the first time need to be made in India, and when we started working with the project manager Henrik Wege and his team in US and in DTPL and in India, the timeline what was given for us was thought that it is a very short time, but nevertheless the team has gone through these kind of projects earlier in a different product portfolios. So with that experience and the experience which is being transferred from a US team and a Denmark team, we were able to make it within 6 months on an agreed timeline. So as Satya said, yes, we wanted to make sure that this goes to a customer with a right and proper specifications. So now it is going out to the customer with everything done as per the technical spec. Thank you for this, and we are looking forward to have many more like this from India.
So few customers also joined on the call. Thank you very much for all the customers who are all joined, and we are very glad to have you on this call, and we appreciate your time. And maybe I'm giving this to my MD, so maybe you can have a few words.
I think a lot has been said. Nothing more to add here. A big thanks to Bruce from Simpson, who helped us to do this activity. Our president, Ulla, who has been instrumental in pushing us to do this in a big way and to serve the Indian market. And I think a fantastic team which is present here across the globe, right from engineering, right from project management, right from purchase organization, right from production organization. So a big thanks to all of you for making it a reality. And I think this is only a start point. It's only a beginning. And I think we have a long way to go. So our assurance to the group organization that we will continuously do very well when it comes to Simpson products. And we expect the same kind of support what we got now in future as well. So thank you very much. And a big thanks to all of you who have gathered here, all our workmen who has helped us to do this. Thank you. Over to you, Neha.
So I'll ask our teams who are joining from Teams, will you be able to continue or you'll be jumping off the meeting?
We can continue. We can continue, definitely.
Okay.
So maybe we can ask the Q&A. So when you
Okay, so now we will take question and answers from YouTube. If somebody wants, they can ask the question through chat, and we will try to answer them here. And if not possible, we'll get back to you and answer. And whosoever wants 2 questions, we can take.
Yeah, maybe you can prepare with the questions, but meanwhile what we will do, just we'll go around the cooler so that we can also, the management team can see, and also the team who is there on the call, they can also see. So maybe you can focus on the cooler. So we can have a walk around, and then we'll see the cooler, what is the main components and other things. Then by that time you can make the questions, okay? Arun? Where is your, Arun Kumar? Arun? Come here. Yeah. So you can explain, you gave something, you explain. You can explain the product. Yeah, you can explain the product.
Yeah.
You go about the major components and major. No need of more detail.
Yeah. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello? Hello? Yeah.
Hello, good afternoon and good morning to US team. Yeah. Just I can explain you about the major component of MC. Oh. Yes, sure.
आप यूरोप गया था, आप यूएस गया था, वो सीखा, फिर सीख के ये हम लोग पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर में ये मेन कंपोनेंट्स हैं, इंपोर्टेड का क्या क्या है वो बता देने का.
Blower and a major fabrication item.
Those are the things. Okay.
Right, I got it.
I can also explain, but I know.
Thank you.
Who's there? Yay.
Yes.
You're back.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, you can start over.
Yeah. Good afternoon and good morning to my US team. Just I can explain you about the major parts of the MC100 cooler. For making this tech transfer, I have visited 2 times for US and I can able to learn a lot many things with respect to the drawing and the concept of the MC100. And I can feel that it is a very good component and very good machine we can use in foundry. So I just explain some major components of the MC cooler, MC100. It starts with the blower. It's an inlet of the air, and this is the crib, bottom part of the cooler. And you can able to see that there are 2-geared motor. We can able to run 2-gear motor simultaneously with the help of one induction motor, which is a special kind of a coupling, and we are running 2-gear motor with that. And the top portion we can call it as a hood, and above that the top exhaust hood part is there, and it is an atmospheric damper. And you can able to see there are some safety factors where we used some imported keys to safety our operator during the maintenance and operation. So this is the major parts of the coolers, and this side is the discharge of the sand, where we are controlling through the electrical actuator. So these are the major parts of the MC100 coolers.
Okay, thank you, Arun. And just to, for the, who are the customers are already on the call, and for understanding of my colleagues also, especially the team at Tumkur who produced this cooler, this multi-cooler is very, very critical equipment in the foundry, and this equipment is used for sand cooling. So actually it is says that it is a multi-cooler. Actually it is more than a cooler. Actually it is homogenizes the sand, and it cools the sand, and it is also tempers the sand. Because if you have a right sand, so then you get a right quality of the mold. So it is very important piece of the equipment. And as already Bruce said that there is a 700 installations in the world. So we also expect a similar numbers going forward in India also, because we have many foundries. And this is a very, very important piece of equipment. And we have a very advanced control system here, and which will tell you what is the sand going, sand throughput, and also it will tell you what kind of a temperature it is coming and what kind of a temperature it is leaving, and also the moisture level, what we are maintaining. So that is also part of the this advanced automation system. And interestingly, it is also comes with the monetizer. It is a part of Industry 4. Monetizer means we have a discover also on the system. So customer can see what is the sand temperature in and out, and also what kind of a moisture, so that customer from anywhere they can see how this cooler is performing. So this is also part of the part of the things which is already inbuilt into the this automated system. And already my colleague has explained about the sand cooler, the various mechanical features. And most important is it is a CE marked, means it is a global standard cooler produced in DISA Tumkur. It is a global standard, means the same quality of the mixer you can see when you go to the Europe or to India. So it is a CE marked, and you can see here there is a CE marking which is already has been built, and so it comes with the CE marking. So now, anyone want to say something? Arun, Manish? So any questions, maybe you can start. Maybe my colleague Arun, who is our design head, so he will say a few words.
Hello. So actually this is a great occasion for us to have a new product in India, and what I have seen it is the excellent collaboration in various teams right from Simpson US, who guided the whole project in a very professional way, and then the project manager Henrik Wege, who also ensured that each and every part of the team, DTPL or the operations team, Tumkur team, as well as the purchase team, all of us were supported in a very systematic way. And the outcome, what we could see it is that we could build the machine in a on time as well as with a great quality. So I thank you, all of us, all of them again, and I see that this is going to be a very big value addition for the business. Thank you. I wish all the best.
And also very important is, I also request Jimmy to say a few words, because he's leading this whole R&D for global for us. So he's very instrumental in this tech transfer. So he was also part of some tough discussions on that. So I request him to say a few words. Jimmy, please.
So I expect you can hear me.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Satya. I will say a few words, yes. Yes, it has been an honor and a privilege to actually assist and help the organization with this tech transfer. I'm very happy that the team all did very well and supported each other globally, as well as in India, Denmark, US, and I'm only happy to be able to support you, to support us all in this journey. Thank you for that. Looking forward to more products being moved to India going forward.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jimmy. Before we take Q&A, not only just the tech transfer, now the product is ready, and we are also prepared getting training on the INC. There is already Andy has connected to the right people at Simpson. And also on the aftermarket, we are already started making the documentation, because we know it is very important to service this. We are already started, and Abbas and team is working on that. I think we will go service the same standard like a DISA or Norican standard. So we are already working on those lines. So with that, we will take the Q&A. There is a question for is it suitable for no-bake molding? Actually, it is a green sand cooling. Maybe Andy, you can explain, or should I answer? So there is a question, can we use for this no-bake sand?
Yeah, unfortunately, this it's just it's a continuous operation, and it's really not designed for a batch operation. So that's really a key component of it. You'd like to basically want to ensure at least 20 minutes of runtime, and it's difficult to get that in.
How much, there is another question from Santan Kumar. How much percentage of components are indigenous and how much is imported? I wanted to say that actually it is a global product, so it is really, we have not measured that, but if someone is having how much, yeah. So it is a global product. When we are delivering, it is a global brands what we are using in that, and it is a global product. And is it suitable for a mass production? There is another question. Yes, it is suitable for mass production. And this cooler is MC100, what we say, it is not exactly, it is 100 tons per hour, but depending on the temperature of what sand it is coming, and what kind of a temperature output you need, and what kind of a moisture you need, that is based on that it can operate anywhere between 75 to 100 tons per hour. But anyway, we need to be really judged before we suggest a right model. But as this cooler is suitable for mass production. Okay, sorry for some questions, no video and sound. So sorry for that. We are back now. And okay. So some people have said great team effort. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think that's all we have here. We thank you very much, people who joined on the YouTube, the customers, and even some of my colleagues who are at various places like a service team and then a sales team and all. Thank you very much. Yeah. Over to Neha.
So we'll wrap up the live streaming program now. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can get back to us and write us back, and we will revert accordingly. Thank you so much again for coming live, coming in person here and joining us. Thank you so much.